Okay, today I'm going to replace the battery for an XPS 13. I just got the battery, and let's start removing the back cover so that we can remove the old battery and put the new one in. It's a pretty simple process. You can usually do it in a few minutes. If it's your first time, it might take a bit longer, but should not take more than 15 minutes. So we're gonna remove 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9 screws. 8 screws. 9 is here. This one is here, is cover. So let's start. Some are pretty tight, so there isn't any particular order. You can just start with anyone. I usually leave the middle one last. 2, 4, 6, 8, and the last one here. This one is flat. It's a Phillips. And we're done. So once you finish removing the batteries, we're gonna remove this back cover. If it's the first time, it will be a bit tight, so you need to pry it up here, either here or here, depending on where you find an easy spot. You can use like something really thin, like a piece of metal or plastic. But let me try. Let me grab something here. With this little cutter. Just pry it up a little bit and it should come up easily. So it's on here. And here you go. So once you remove the back cover, it will unveil the battery right in front of you. And the 4 screws you need to remove. This one, this one, this one, and finally this one. They're actually marked with the respective letters and numbers. So those are 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So once you remove the 4 screws, you need to detach the cable here. So just pull it out. Yeah, try to be careful and not just force it too much. It should come out relatively easy. Just pull it a little bit. And this is the new battery. I got a replacement battery from Amazon. It's not the original one, but it works properly. It comes with the two screwdriver that you need. I'll post the link in the description below so that you can just click on it and it will land you to the proper battery, just to make sure you can buy the correct ones. This is the PW23Y for the XPS, Dell XPS 13. This is not the 2-in-1 model, it's the normal XPS 13. So just place it back, make sure it's properly seated, and here we go. The 3 screws that we just removed, 1, 2, 3. Make sure you don't put it here because those are for the back cover. Last one here, we put the cable, attach the cable back into the motherboard. Sometimes it's easier to connect it before putting the battery, but it's up to you. Make sure the cable stick here. Okay, so we're good to go. Let's put the back cover back in. Just press it a little bit and it should attach firmly back to the laptop. Just press a little bit. Press it here, here, and here, and you're good to go. Put the screws back in. Okay. Good, and we're all set. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question or you face any issue, just post a comment below and I'll get back to you. And if you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel and support us. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video.